Yeah. Yeah. Wake up every morning, get to a report. Why do I do this? Hobona Mark, Salem Fana Wapitori, Markalek Pusha, Kalek Panda, good man. Wake up every morning, get to a report. Why do I do this? Hobona Mark, Salem Fana Wapitori, Markalek Pusha, Kalek Pusha.
Come follow what happened. Just give me that.
012's finest, white man. Wait, artist camera, give media day. Di mana patah la renda waktu itu, lu sawat lambushi. Yeah. LightHub's busy.
As you can see.
And then still also the customer. Oh, she did. Pipe and everything. Yeah,
I get a lot.
You started.
I get Bluetooth management. I want to set up I love you. Mara. Get all Romella and lovely setup.
Before and
I
after.
let us say pin my ride.
The triplet certainly drilly. Yeah, everything was fit. Elax suspension, the sleeve bag, front race. And then I get a blog on money. Come on, Avanza sleeve. Sleep tomorrow. Emona, sleep tomorrow. Emona, oh. Jonas Prince. And that's Catalofit. Oh, I'm see ya. Nah. Ampa nanya ke dulu. Di bel, motivation apa? Bobby dah sama job.
Bisa boleh betul salah lah. Agar double belum kalau aku tezi.
Panovai, empat. Livery.
Mana cuma mawon pun, mawon. Erken cuma, itu mau proses ini. Mawon, mahal. Mahal. Lalu putar lagi lalu tidak brand. Awalnya gitu, apa?
Ya apa sama wanita? Why do mawan sa kabugay? Kakao te.
Why do mawon? Potential.
Wait.
Wala na makalun.
Or mawan sa kabugay.
Meron lagi wala na simsala na yung kabulay. Demand bright 1.7.
Demand bright.
High performance. Oh, high performance bright. 1.7 each.
Set.
Demand bright 1.7.
Nakayari sa iba ako mo siya.
Really.
Oh, kaswitch. Oh, and then awa naman sa kabugay. Ya, Hanis, kyo nantinya jalan pumako. Seorang daman pumako.
Hanes sefela. Arong lala mo di mahanes sefela.
Hanis sefela. Oh.
Yo dalanya.
Yo dalang ka ite.
Una installation.
Ako guys.
R550.
Oh, 550 plus installation.
Yeah. Included.
Including installation. I bet. Passing.
Cuma kita raw, okay.
Zep.
Itu. Rafaga. Rafaga ponye. Vichila chopa. Tot.
Yes, aman. Video tonton ni pun tahu punya.
Lebih. Clean. Clean. man ke moya ka mo.
Oh, cast.
Moya. Ako fikle mo na. Cuma ada tinggi kan. Yes. I'm a bit. Di mana sih dispenser? Set. One stop shop. Umoya, umabone, dude. Rules and regulations.
Wayaga ju utlwella didene Ompotse ke manya ka mbifi le kilo, ompotse ke manya ka mbifi le tloko, ompotse ke mangare rapper di dimetse thata, rapper o jele di flop, ompotse ke mangare rapper a sa khona rapper ke bule ke tsene ka drop, nonwane tletse mo fatshe ke metsi, khopala bucket sa lebala mopo. How can I trip on the cleaner, 3 years ke khale some blame, ane ke le dealer, drop it for the culture, nora computer like title ke mamo le bob, killer west tole release bafana banyane ba tsene ba o shia ga shot, ba o shia o maketse, mabashi ya mang, nek setso re didn't get race. Bar killer o ga re mo hopots, bethile lolo le geta le bang 5 CD ka stock sa le khalate, tuba ze go classic tisitse pelo ka nnete ke flopa magalanti ka bo 80 go dropa me brase ka laila le khoa ke felletse o chat mosadi o nkomanya thata re ke phelela strata palelo ke nonwane ane tito ka flopa wa pallo ke bilbelo bo tsore monna ke plani ke feditse pilo a ono ro go stopa di jobo ke tsetse matsatsi ke bo dese zaka e wete snate me brase ba phela sekatse adolescent money ke nyane trapen pass le di guluva tsa kasi ke go laphensa nyakela khole story is jore ke tla ithoma hape mfana ke thoma hape ai it's gay. Aramenya.
Set. Mau seta ba e bonal. Mohare. Amana obile tanga mohare. Oya. Uta ka we. Sapo ha ona sapo. Kita sendela tsona pages e just khale ka di reka ta didn't Shoba fetu next video re feature base Montana ka di number plates tsa go Italy re batla video le yena so stay tuned. So if anything elenya go yutlwang elenya go ibutisang base le tlang tshwara ta sena mo di comment section in below la bolela. So either way no so go check out workshop ya KU 012's Finest le LightHub. I'm not sure if ke audible but la bona tlo ba chila as moti nje so re no video nyana mafolena mare bag aesthetic. So yeah re tsene ka mohare re ba bone KU busy ka something ka mohare. Yeah basement ta ntshitse sound timano ntshitse sound o fisitse 0 gauge jo sa lo ke le dual compressor jo sa lo ke le compressor tse pedi ro change PCD kana ne mo vero go nga shu ditawetse tsa re ke night shift ya ditsenyi theogetse ish mam komu na re jo wa batho ba ntse aba opt for dual compressors ba tsentsa single so go sense ba great information from when
agar mo tono ya ka mo
dual beta lo re le
operator mona
le one
ba ba lo before ba la ba ya research. That's why you want to go over the dual compressor with that question.
Best ya lo maro ka stokele selo sa yintsi and then o tsia how long let's say we look at so o tsia how long ra service so bila la tshwana dala ka mo base ba ra wena tshwana dala ka mo So bila moya o la bo.
Let's say when you drive a car daily, so distance then. Why you also service within a way, you just service after 6 months.
Yeah.
Or 3 months, depending
Yeah, that's right.
so same price come on. The more time the more we do service.
Mastakile bona. Ke bona wa se service.
Yeah, but overrated house affair out of the blue. It might be more than 2 years of service.
We were like management.
I have management.
Like,
Yeah, block. Especially by this still tank.
oh, corrosion.
Block of area. So you block beautiful.
Fit process ke moya sleeve back so ya nyaka moya light or let like I mabo first and everything ultimate pack off.
Yeah. Teen, what's popping? I had to keep the beat short to tell you how I'm feeling. I got a lot to say, but then I don't fuck with the critics. Like how you judge my statements just because I'm independent. Even if we live in color, black and white is realistic. Drop it for the waves and now we're taking the babes. Just because I'm doing trap don't mean I'm stuck in the basic. Down in the basement, I've been righting wrongs from right. The bars collide, some wrong, I'm dead inside. I close my eyes, pray to God to do me right. We all unique, but we just live and die. Enough about me, tell me how you feeling inside. Let me engage with you, how you feeling inside. Don't you rush, we gon' be fine. Push us spun like all the time. Cause le parral fele pelo, so I'm gonna get what's mine. Don't you rush, we gon' be fine. Push us spun like all the time. Cause le parral fele pelo, so I'm gonna get what's mine.
Jola eats after they push it up and type it to the carry more KU 012
project. Yeah, running a Friday rambo. Either Friday or Saturday, somewhere there.
Next week.
Yeah, next week.
I'm thinking Friday. Friday is
Friday unu abiala, so unu abiala.
With your malal.
Jump hop with the boy. Yeah, not a patlam yang late zilliaga moya, the services, let a guy.
The man, educate you. I read all the bazar. The man, the man himself.
Really happy. Hey, Michael wants to go to the morning. Otherwise, lights are going to Topeza Park 72.
I'm all description. I don't have a t-shirt that I want to be late free.
Easy camera.
I will have it. You two lipa. Let come inside. Sharp.